Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2015 on a 15 reg wheelchair adapted VW Caddy Maxi with an automotive group conversion. It's a Euro 5 model for you taxi drivers that councils insist on a Euro 6, so it's not a Euro 6, it's a Euro 5 1.6 TDI diesel with just 21,000 miles on the clock. And as you will see from this very short video, the vehicle is in grade A condition, as is with all of our vehicles. A lovely grey upholstery inside, all the carpet's in great condition. So the Euro 6 for those taxi drivers, the Euro 6 didn't come out until 2016. Please bear that in mind, and they're a lot more money than what the Euro 5 is. Same brake horsepower, by the way. So it's 102 brake horsepower. 5-speed manual gearbox. All the accessories that you need, or extras that you need on a wheelchair adapted vehicle. Power assisted steering, electric windows, mirrors, CD player, air conditioning of course, ABS, all those extras that you'd expect in a modern day vehicle. We guarantee the mileage on all of our vehicles because we buy them from Motability. They all come with a main dealer service history, unless otherwise stated. Carry around about 25 WAVs in stock. So this one hasn't got privacy glass. Again, some councils for you taxi drivers, doesn't affect the mobility users of course. If you want privacy glass, we can get that added in for you, no problem. Very small cost involved in that. Electric winch, 4-point securing on the wheelchair, which is standard. The automotive group comes with carpet on the floor, so a little bit more soundproofing on the conversion. Electric winch there. Electric belts at the front, so they're easy loading. You can get a wheelchair passenger inside within around about 90 seconds. Obviously a little bit of practice required to start off with. This is the 400 kilo maximum weight aluminium ramp. Also slightly wider, so I think 33 inch wide on the ramp, so we'll take larger scooters and wheelchairs. The lovely metallic orange colour, very unusual colour, but very striking. Alloy wheels for those that are interested in that extra on a vehicle. So as mentioned, regarding taxi drivers, this is suitable for both taxi drivers and mobility users. If you are a taxi driver, we can help you with the council, with the certification, etc., and all the paperwork that you need. If you're a mobility user, we can do home demonstrations for you. You can have the vehicle delivered to your door, no problem. Whatever your requirements are, we generally can accommodate you. So if you have any specifics, just give us a call and we'll happily talk you through them, see what we can do. If you're looking for finance, we can do finance through Motonovo Finance. 5% flat rate, one of the lowest rates. We can do 0% and lend you £6,000 over 3 years, or £8,000 over 2 years, 0% interest free. So if you're interested in that, give us a call, 01634 716 911. If you want to view other wheelchair access vehicles and this one, you can visit our website, which is www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. Taxi drivers can visit premiertaxisales.com, take you straight onto all vehicles that are suitable for taxi. So give us a call on 01634 716 911, or if you want to come and look in person, our forecourt address is Cooling Road Service Station in Wainscott in Kent, and postcode for your sat nav is ME24RL. Thanks for watching, and we hope to